Hi, everyone, and welcome back to Speak English Channel. It's Emily here. I'm so happy you're joining us today. This is the place where English feels real, simple, natural, and full of good energy.
Hey friends, it's Paul. It feels great to be here again. I've got a big smile today.
You do look full of energy, Paul. Did you sleep well?
Yes, I did. I feel strong and healthy this morning.
Perfect, because today's topic is all about that healthy habits.
Healthy habits. That's a good one. Everyone wants to feel good and full of energy.
Exactly. But before we start, can we ask a little favor?
Of course, friends, if you enjoy our videos and conversations, please tap that like button right now. Yes.
And don't forget to subscribe to Speak English Channel. Every click helps us make more happy, helpful English lessons for you.
And share this with a friend who wants to learn English and stay healthy. Thank you so much.
Now, Paul, let's dive in.
I'm ready. Where do we start?
Let's start with something very simple. Water.
Water. But you know me, Emily. I love my morning coffee. It's my ritual.
I know you do, and that's okay, but your body still needs water. Think of it like this. Coffee wakes you up, but water keeps you alive. It's the basic fuel.
True. Sometimes I drink coffee all day at my desk and I completely forgot about water.
Many people do that, but drinking water is one of the easiest, most powerful healthy habits. It helps your brain think clearly, your skin looks fresh, and even your mood stays happy.
Okay, you convinced me. So, how much water should we drink each day?
Well, they often say around 8 glasses, but that's just a guide.
8? That sounds like a lot. A mountain of water.
It can sound big, but you can start very small. Remember what we always say? Small steps build big confidence. Maybe just one extra glass in the morning.
Okay. One step. One glass.
Yes, one glass right after you wake up. Think of it as saying, "Good morning, body. Here is some clean, fresh water for you."
Good morning, body. Here's your water. I can do that. It's polite.
It is polite. And then maybe one glass before lunch and one before dinner. That's already 3. Easy, right?
Totally. 3 glasses. I can remember that. Do you do you prefer cold or warm water?
Good question. In summer, I love cold water with ice. But in the morning, sometimes I love warm water with a little lemon. It feels gentle.
Lemon sounds fancy, like in a restaurant.
Not fancy. It's just a simple slice. It makes the water taste fresh and clean. Try it.
Okay. Tomorrow morning, water with lemon. A healthy start to the day.
Good job, Paul. Now let's talk about the next thing. Food. Healthy eating.
Oh, yes, food, my favorite subject.
Is it?
Yes. But Emily, I must confess, I love pizza, especially pepperoni pizza on Friday nights. It's my celebration.
I know you do. And I love a simple cheese pizza. And that's fine. Pizza is okay sometimes. It's a want, not a need. Remember from our money episode?
Right, right. Pizza is a want. A delicious, cheesy want.
Exactly. But for our needs, our bodies need good fuel, fruits and vegetables every day.
Veggies. They are not my best friends.
Oh, Paul, don't make that face. Veggies can be delicious. You just need to find your friends. Okay, tell me one vegetable you like.
Okay, I like carrots. They're crunchy. I like that sound.
Great. Carrots are excellent for your eyes. What about tomatoes?
I like them on pizza. Does that count?
Close enough. We'll count it. Tomatoes are full of good vitamins. Think of your plate like a rainbow. Red tomatoes, orange carrots, green. What about green? Broccoli?
Broccoli looks like a little tree. A little green tree.
Exactly. And that little tree is super healthy. So you don't need to eat everything, just try to eat colors, a rainbow on your plate.
I like that idea. Eat colors. So when I go shopping, I will look for colors. Red, orange, yellow, green. Like an artist.
Perfect. Eating colors keeps your body strong and your meals beautiful. And fruit. Fruit is easier, right?
I love fruit. Fruit is nature's candy. Sweet, fresh, and healthy.
Healthy candy. I like that. What's your favorite?
Apples and oranges. Simple. You know the saying, an apple a day keeps the doctor away.
Yes. And bananas in the morning give you good, slow energy for the day.
A banana is like natural fuel. Put it in your body tank and go.
Exactly. I feel stronger already just talking about it.
Me too. That's the power of healthy talk. So we have water and food. What comes next? Let me guess. Moving. Exercise.
Yes, moving your body every day. It doesn't need to be scary.
That's hard for me, Emily. I sit at a desk all day. Numbers, reports, screens. My chair is my best friend.
I understand, but you don't need a gym or special clothes. Just walking helps a lot.
Ah, that's good news. The gym is too loud and fast for me.
Then walk. Walking is free, simple, and powerful. You walk to the bus stop each morning, right?
Yes, about 5 minutes.
Great start. That's something. Now, maybe try 10 more minutes after lunch. Just a short walk.
10 minutes? That's short. I can listen to music for 10 minutes. I can do that.
Yes, fresh air helps your body and your mind. It's a break for your brain.
True. I feel less stressed when I walk. I look at the sky, the trees.
Exactly. And when you walk, stand tall, shoulders back, head up, like a superhero walking calmly.
Striking a gentle, confident pose. Walking to the coffee shop like Superman. I like it.
Confidence makes you feel strong. What about stairs? Do you have stairs at your office?
My office is on the third floor. Yes.
Then you have a free workout every day. Take the stairs.
The third floor? That's a lot of steps. My legs will complain.
Think of it as a small mountain, your daily mountain. Climb it once a day.
Okay. One small mountain a day. For my health. Small steps to big change.
You're learning. So now we have water, healthy food, movement. What's next? One of my favorite things, sleep.
Ah, yes. I love sleeping. But sometimes I don't sleep enough.
Many people have this problem. They stay up too late. They watch TV or scroll through their phones in bed.
Guilty. I often watch movies or videos on my phone until midnight. It's relaxing.
I understand. Movies are fun, but sleep is special. It's when your body heals itself, fixes problems, and grows strong. It's like a night worker cleaning and repairing your body.
That explains a lot. When I don't sleep well, I feel tired and grumpy in the morning. Slow.
Yes, and nobody wants a grumpy Paul. We want a happy, smiling Paul.
Okay, deal. So, how many hours should we sleep?
Most adults need 7 or 8 hours each night. Good quality sleep.
8 hours. That means I should go to bed earlier. Maybe at 10:30 or 11?
Exactly. Try a bedtime routine. It helps your body and mind relax and say, okay, it's time to sleep now.
A routine. Like what?
Maybe 30 minutes before bed, turn off your phone. Put it away.
No phone? But I check my emails before sleeping. It's a habit.
Emails can wait, Paul. The bed is for resting, not for work. Your brain needs to relax.
You're right. It's not a good habit. What should I do instead?
You can read a book, a real book, or an e-reader without a bright screen, or listen to soft music, or even a quiet, calm episode of a podcast.
Maybe a Speak English Channel episode to learn while I relax?
Perfect! And you have your favorite blue pajamas, you told me.
Yes, They are very soft. They make me feel calm and ready for bed.
Perfect. So picture it 10:30, put on your blue pajamas, read a few pages of a book, listen to some soft music, and let yourself rest.
That sounds like a beautiful, quiet evening. I think I will sleep much better.
You will, and you'll wake up with fresh energy. So let's see: water, healthy food, walking, and sleep. These are four big keys to a healthy life.
Yes, and they're all easy to start. You don't need much money for any of them.
That's true. Water is cheap, walking is free, sleeping is free, vegetables and fruit can be affordable.
The best health plan is simple.
Exactly. I feel motivated already. I want to be the healthiest.
I like that goal. But there's one more part of health, I think.
Oh? What's that?
Your mind. Mental health. Feeling happy and peaceful inside is also a healthy habit, right?
Paul, that is so smart. Yes, a healthy mind is just as important as a healthy body. So, how do we practice that?
By doing things you enjoy. For me, it's talking to friends, like talking to you right now. It makes me happy.
Oh, Paul, that's sweet. I like talking to you too. It makes me smile.
See? That's one healthy habit. Connecting with others. Laughing together.
Exactly. Laughter is like exercise for your heart. It's medicine.
Then we are very healthy because we laugh a lot on this show.
That's true. So kindness, laughter, and friendship, they all keep our minds healthy. And maybe sometimes being quiet too.
Quiet. But I like to talk.
Just for 1 minute. 1 minute of silence. It can help your mind rest. No phone, no talking, just breathe.
1 minute of silence. That's hard for me. My mind is always busy.
Just try. 1 minute, Paul. Take a deep breath, close your eyes, and just be. It helps your brain feel lighter.
Okay. 1 minute of Paul time. I could try that. Maybe after my walk.
Perfect.
Wow, Emily, we talked about so many great things today.
We did. Let's quickly remember them together. A little review.
Good idea. First, water.
Yes. Drink a glass when you wake up. Say, hello, body.
Then food. Eat colors like a rainbow. Red tomatoes, orange carrots, green broccoli, and fruits like apples, bananas, and oranges for energy.
Next, movement.
Walk for 10 minutes, climb your stairs, your daily mountain, stand tall like a superhero.
Exactly. And then sleep.
7 to 8 hours. Have a routine. No phone, just rest. Wear your favorite pajamas.
Yes. And the last one, happiness for your mind.
Laugh. Be kind. Spend time with people you love. And sometimes be quiet for 1 minute.
Beautiful summary, Paul. You remembered everything.
Well, it's easy when the tips are fun and simple. Healthy habits don't have to be boring or difficult.
True. They can be small, happy parts of your normal life. I'm going to start today with a big glass of water. My coffee is finished.
Me too. Right after we finish. Water time.
Perfect. Everyone, we hope you enjoyed this conversation about healthy habits.
Yes, and remember, you don't need to be perfect. Don't try to do everything tomorrow. Just take one small step today. One small step for your body, one big step for your health.
We'd love to hear from you. What healthy habit do you already have? Or what will you start today? Maybe drinking more water, eating more colors, or walking after lunch.
Tell us in the comments below. We love reading your stories and your English.
And don't forget to subscribe to Speak English channel and share this video with a friend or your family. Learning together is more fun.
Thank you so much for watching today. You are all wonderful. Stay healthy and happy.
Thank you, Paul. This chat made me feel fresh and full of life.
Same here, Emily. Let's keep these good habits together.
All right. See you in the next episode, everyone. Bye for now.
Bye-bye.